Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dinesh Tatia. I am bringing you in this project. We will do some visualization and some data cleaning process. So for that, first of all, we will see the data, that what it is showing us and what it is giving us, what the data is giving us. So here is this data. So what we have in the data? So we have a first column called rank, then title, then genre, description, director, actors, year, runtime, rating, votes, revenue, metascore. So these are our columns. Rank, what it is, we can say the column, the ID, movie ID, we can say. For an example, it is looks like it is unique for every movie titles. Okay, that's great. Then here is the title of the movie: Guardian of Galaxy, Prometheus, Split, Sing. So like that we have different titles of the movies. So how many are there? There are 1000 movies on which we will do the data analysis, or we can do the project on the Power BI analysis. Okay, so there are 1000 movies on which we will do our operations. So and then genre. What is genre? Here it is. Uh, Action, adventure, sci-fi. So Guardian of Galaxy, what Guardian of Galaxy has? It has an action, adventure and sci-fi type of movie. Then Prometheus is adventure, mystery and sci-fi. Split, horror and thriller. Sing. So like that, it's a different genre for different movies. And here is the description of the movies, that what this movie is saying to us. For Guardian of Galaxy, a group of intergalactic criminals are forced to work together to stop a fanatical warrior from taking control of the universe. So this is what about this is all about the movie in a short form. Okay, so this is the description. Then director's name. So here is the name of the director. Yeah, here it is. So only one director for every movie title. That's good for us. It will help in analysis and in the data cleaning process. Sorry. And here is the actors. So here are the actors: Vin Diesel, Bradley Cooper. Okay, so there are some actors who are performing in the movie. Uh, like that, they are for different titles, different actors. Year, release or year when this movie has been released. So it is in 2014. And runtime, that is how much, what's the length of the movie, that is 121 minutes. Rating, how many votes has been given, that is 7,50,000 57,074. Then revenue is in million, take care of that. Revenue is in million. And the meta score, hope you know about the meta score. Or there are some, I think they some call the artist score also. It is a group of some eminent that movie, what we call them, review, those who review the movie, and out of 100 they give some numbers. So on an average for each movie, that number has been decided. So here it is a 76. So it's a good score, 70. Okay, so this is our data. Okay, now we have to do the analysis on it. Okay, we have to make the different visuals, and we understand that means we will understand the actors or the director who has get the maximum ratings, maximum number of votes, how many votes are getting for the director or for the actors. So we will do uh, we will make a different visualization for each of the data or analysis, we can say. So let's begin. Okay, so here we are going to start the Power BI project. So first of all, I will let me get the file. Okay, so I know here that I have to transform the data. So I am directly going to the transforming the data, means in the Power Query. So I directly go into the Power Query. So here my Power Query has been opened. Okay, so now you can see we are in the Power Query. So it's rank, title, genre and description, everything is there. Okay, and it looks like the data, we can see, if we can see the data type, it's a text, genre, text, rank, whole number. Okay, it is given correctly. Okay, so yeah, correct. Okay, so first of all, you know how it works. Power BI, Power Query. Here's the left span, right span, and the applied steps and the properties. So first of all, I will change the name. Change name to movie data. Okay. Now, how it is. Now, what I want to do. So first of all, I have to handle this genre. What is genre source? You can see that there is a this action, adventure, sci-fi. It's separated through comma. So first of all, I have to make a proper means in a proper way so that I can do the visualization properly. If I go through this adventure comma sci-fi in a single way, so it will not help me. And if I separate it, then also it will not help me directly, because adventure has uh, in Guardian of Galaxy also there is an adventure, in Prometheus also there is an adventure. So if I want to see that how much ratings we are getting for adventure type of movie. So we will not get until we will not combine. So we have to do something else for proper analysis. Okay. So what we do, first of all, we will do the copy paste. We will make a new table. Okay, for specifically for genre. So let's go for genre. Okay. So what I will do, I will select this two table. Okay, and two column and remove all other columns. Remove other column. Okay, because I need genre only, and the rank is for connecting my main table, means for my fact table, you can say dimension and fact table. Hope you know about the fact and dimension table. If you don't know, then I will make a separate video for fact and dimension table. Okay, so here it is the rank and the genre. Now what we'll do, I will split the column. Okay, and by the delimiter. What is delimiter here? Correct, our comma is the delimiter, so we go for the delimiter. Okay, correct. So here our genre 1, 2 and 3. Okay, means we have three genre for maximum three genre we have. Here there are two only, so it becomes null. Okay, no issue in that, we will handle this also. So like that we have for all 1000 movies, we this genre has been separated by the delimiter comma. So we have genre 1, 2 and 3. Now what I have to do, if I put this separately, then also it will not work for me, that one by one, because adventure is here, adventure is also here in the genre 2. So what I will do, instead of analyzing in a horizontal way, means action, adventure or sci-fi, okay, or adventure, mystery or sci-fi in a horizontal, in a row wise, what I will do, I will shift this action, adventure, sci-fi in a column wise. Means I will reverse the change the direction from row to column. Okay, so action, adventure and sci-fi will come here in the first three row. Okay, instead of first three column of action, adventure or sci-fi, I will change it to action, adventure and sci-fi. I will change the direction so that everything in a one column, and during the calculation, during the measures for calculating the average rating for adventure, so for all the adventure we will combine together. Okay, for adventure genre. Here I cannot do that. It is not possible for me to do that in a row wise. Okay, so what I will do, I will select all three genre 1, genre 2, genre 3. Now there is one option in a transform, this one, unpivot columns. See, what unpivot columns do, it will convert from the row value to the column value. Okay, so now it is action, adventure, sci-fi. You can see the rank is 111. So for the first rank movie, that is Guardian of Galaxy, which we have seen, the genre which was in action, adventure and sci-fi in a different column after delimiter, after delimiter, in a different column, we are bringing them in a one column only. Okay, hope you understand how we are doing that, and this will help in connecting the movie data during our model view. Okay, so now this is a very important thing. Whenever, if you do the HR project, and it has a attendance sheet, for an example, of day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4 in a different columns. Okay, so for that also you have to bring it to the one column, single column only for the analysis, because for you cannot go for every column in the analysis. You have to bring them in a one column only. So for that you need unpivot columns. Okay, so it is very important. Kindly take care of that. So now what we'll do, this attribute is of no use for me. So I will removing it and the value is changed to genre. Okay. So hope it is helpful for you and hope you have understand. If you are not, so kindly comment on the section. Kindly do the comment. I will help you out on that. Right. Now genre is completed. Then description. No, I don't need to do anything on the description. It will not help me for the analysis. Director. Director is there, but fortunately, only one director is given for every movie title. If there is more than one, then whatever you have done for the genre, the same thing you have to do for the director also, which I am going to do for actors also, because there are different actors present in the single movie. Okay, so now what I'll do, I will do the copy paste and actors. Okay, now what I will do, let rank and actors, these two columns are selected, and I am going to remove other columns. Okay, so now you can see the in the applied step that all we have used the other columns function, and all other columns has been removed. Now we will do the same thing. What we will do, we'll use the split columns using by delimiter, comma separated, and everything has been separated by the comma. Okay, so what is this? Chris Pratt, Vin Diesel, Bradley Cooper. Okay, so there are these are the actors present in the Guardian of Galaxy in the first movie. Now we will do the same. What we will do? One more way we can do it. Okay, just click Control Shift first column, select the first column, and Control Shift with the last column, and you will select every column of this. Okay, now again unpivot column, and here it is 111. You can cross check also with this 111 222. There are four actors, correct, and every actor name is present in a single column. Okay, we will do the same. Remove this column attribute. There is no use of that, and actors. Perfect, perfecto. Okay, so now now it has been taken care of. Genre and actors has been taken care of. Okay, now what it is? It is the year. Okay, here is in 2014, 2012, in a whole number. Mm, a whole number. Okay, I don't need that much in the table, because I have to do in a different way of analysis. This will help in showing the data only of the year. So I doesn't need that date time or date function for that. So whole number will be helpful, because I am not calculating anything in the year. I am just doing the visualization with the help of year. Okay, then runtime ratings. Okay, vote million metascore. Okay, now we will see that there should not be any null value. First of all, see that also. Okay, so there is a null value. Remove that null value. You cannot means put that with an average or anything, like we do in this analysis using the Python, or in the EDA process in the machine learning, where we do in some time at some time we change it from mean, median, or mode. The null value we change it from to mean, median, and mode. But here we cannot do that, and we should not do that in the movie recommendation, because every movie has a different meaning, so we should not do that. And here also there are null values. Remove that. No need for putting that value. Okay, so there remains 838 rows. We have it has been only 838 rows has remained. Okay, okay, correct. Hope it is clear now that how we are doing the data cleaning and how we have changed the separated the genre and actors from the main table. Okay, hope it is clear until now. If there is any query, kindly let me know in the comment section. I will look into it and give you the solution. So now I am doing the close and apply. So let's do the close and apply. Perfect. It's loading. Hmm. It is there. So you can see that genre, actor and movie data all has been loaded. If we see in the table view, here is the actors, genre, movie data. In the genre there are so many dramas. And the first, okay, what is rank 7? Started by rank 7. Hmm. This will be good. That's it is good. Okay, okay. Now we go for the model view. In the model view, we can see, okay, this has already been taken care by the AI in the Power BI. They have already connected this all together. The cardinality, we can say that cardinality has already been taken care. There's a one to many relationship. This star is for many, and this one is for the single one, and here it is a many, and here's a one to many relation. Hope you know the how it works, that how it is many and how it is one. Then also in the short form I am saying you, there are single rank, means for one rank 1 guardian of galaxy, and the actor's name in the comma, genre in the comma. Okay, so like this is mentioned for the one rank, and in the genre we have changed it from the row from the three different columns to single column. So we have three rows of rank 1. So there are multiple rows, okay, of rank 1. So it is many. So single row of rank here means it's a unique, and here it is uh, number of rank of the same type, means one is repeating four times in the genre, three times in a genre. So it is repeating many times. So one to many relationship. Same thing here also, one to many relationship. Okay, so it has already been taken care of. Now what we'll do? Actually, we can make something uh, good also for the background, but right now I am not going into that detail. I will make a separate video on how we can beautifully design this whole background uh, and these visualization charts. How can we decide the background and everything for the visualization? Okay, but right now let me show you some visualization. But before that, what we need, yes, we all need when we start the visualization, we need measures, correct? So how to form the measures? Remember this, put the enter data, select on this and make it measure. Okay, measures, load, sorry, measures. Okay, so yeah, here is the measure. Okay, don't select that. This transform data will take you to the Power Query, or don't make any new measures from here. Do this, enter, and then make a separate, because we have to make a table, and in that table we are making a different new measures. Then in this table you can use this new measures. Don't do it directly, because we have to make a different number of measures, so it will not help you out to make them in a single table. So make a new measures. Okay, so what are the measures that we required in this? So first of all, very common thing is the total number of movies. So total movies is equal to, how can we calculate the movies? We cannot take a sum of rank. Okay, so we will count the rank, count movie data rank. We will take a movie data rank, because see, which table you have to take is very much important in calculating, in making the measures. Okay, you cannot take the rank of genre and actors, because there are many repeating ranks also. Okay, so you cannot take that. We have to take the unique value for counting to get the actual number of movies on which we are doing the analysis. So we are taking movie data rank. Okay, because that is unique value. It has a unique value. So now, so let me delete this. Okay, so if I make a card, if I select a card and see this total movies. Okay, we have how many movies we have? We have 838 movies. Good. We have 838 movies. Okay, now what I will do, I will delete this column. Okay. Hmm. Now what I have to make some new measures, different, more new measures. So uh, what I required. So what it is there? Let me see. Okay, rating is there. So let me make some measures for the rating. So what it is? It is average rating. So average rating is equal to, there is one DAX function called average. Okay, you just have to make average, put the average DAX function and rating, and here it is our new measures called average rating. Okay, now measures. Average voting. Yeah, we can do average voting also. So average voting, votes, sorry, voting votes, average votes. Let's do votes only. Why voting? So average votes. Okay, average vote is there. Then runtime. Yeah, runtime is important. So we will do the runtime, average runtime. Average runtime is equal to average. Okay, then runtime. Perfect. Average runtime. Then we have what we have then, title, revenue, metascore. Yes. Now hope you know the why we required the measures. Hope you all know that we required the measures for calculating this. Okay, so here are some of our measures that is required for our analysis. Now, if I do it, let me first see the total movies and make some changes. Do 30, 13, 35. Let's do 35. Okay. Didn't 838. Then I can remove this. No, let it be but let me say, change the size of to 10. Okay, it is good now. Okay, then title, no, there is no need of title. Effect, background, let's do some light grayish. And visual border, yes, I required visual border. Visual border, corner up to, make it 10. Okay, to 10. And hmm, okay, so here is my measures for this average movie. Sorry, total number of movies. I have how many? I have required five different cards. Let me do it here only. Put it here only. Why to waste time after that? Okay. Hmm. Okay. So we have a different five cards for this. Now, uh, what required, instead of total, maybe we will go for the average rating. Average rating is 6.81. Okay, then average runtime, Average runtime is 114.64 minutes. Okay. Then go for average votes. Average votes are 193.23 K, means 1000, 193.23 thousand. Uh, okay, do one thing. Uh, Change it to the decimal from point to means two decimal to single. Okay, let's go for the single decimal, and here also we will go for the single decimal, or we can no, we will go for the single decimal. Okay, now average metascore. Go for the average metascore. Average metascore is 59.58. Okay, now select all five. All five, go to the format, uh, distribute vertically. Okay, do the distribute vertically, and it is vertically distributed. Okay, so now our data is distributed. Let me bring it to hmm, now it is making more sense. Okay, so now we have made this all the cards. Okay, now what we will do? We will do some visualization. We will do some visualization uh, where we will compare the average rating of the top 50 movies. Means we will compare the movies with the rating. I will make a cluster bar chart. Cluster bar chart, not only bar chart, it will be helpful. Let it be cluster bar chart. In that, what we will do? We will take this average rating with the movie name, movie title. Where is the title? Here are the titles. Okay, so we will make the visualization. Okay, so you can see the Dark Knight has the highest rating. Okay, uh, highest rating in the IMDb. Average rating is 9. Then Inception, Interstellar. It is quite obvious because the Dark Knight is quite amazing movie. Inception and Interstellar, they are just awesome. Okay, Tare Zameen Par. Oh, Indian movie. That's great. 8.5 rating. Yeah, it is also a very nice movie. And then The Dark Knight Rises 8.5. So here are some movie titles. Average rating, but we can see that there are number of there are thousand, and it has taken all the thousand number of movies. So here we will put some filter. We will take only top 50 movie titles rating. Okay, so how can we apply the filter? So here it is the filter. What we need the top 50 movies on the basis of average rating. So we have selected the average rating, and where it is the here is the title. Okay, so we will apply the filter average rating. We will apply the filter on the title. Uh, See where you have to apply the filter. That is also very important to see. So we are applying the filter on the title, not on the ratings. We are not mentioning here that show only average rating above 5. If you want to do that, then apply the filter on average rating. But here we require the top 50 movie. So we are applying the filter on title. So top N, what are the top N? Top N means top 50 on the basis of what? On the basis of top 50 by value average rating. Okay, so here are my top 50. Hmm. Here are my top 50 average rating movie, means from in a descending order, that Dark Knight has the maximum. So like that we are showing the movie title on the basis of average rating. Okay, we do some coloring also here only. We will do some coloring. Title is there. Let's change the title. What title should we give? Top 50 average rating of top 50 movies. Okay, that will be good. Average rating of Top 50 movies. Mm, can we do one thing? Let's do the filter on the basis of revenue. Remove this average rating. This will not help if there is nothing on the basis of revenue. Apply filter. Okay. Now this makes sense. Sorry for earlier pause. Now this makes sense that on the basis of revenue, uh, here it is. Average rating. The basis of revenue, we are filtering top 50 movies. Top 50 movies. Title is average rating of top 50 movies on the basis of revenue. Okay, correct. And title is there. Effect. We will give some effect. Hmm. Transparency. 30. 30 is good transparency. Visual border. Yes, I required visual border. I will change it the color later on. Okay, perfect. Hmm. So So I have selected this by mistake also, but we will analysis. The movie name is Zootopia. Okay, average rating is 8.1. Then runtime is 108 minute, 269. So these are our some few datas. What we need to do now? We need this labeling. Okay, give the data label. Correct. Data label. I know the title already there. Then there is no need of uh, y-axis title. Okay, so this is the title of y-axis, not the title movie mentioned here, that is title. Both are different things. Don't confuse on that. So like that here also title is there. Title here. What is the title here? Here title is average rating. So if I have to remove this average rating, I will of this title. Okay. So it is there, but I required this average rating. Yeah, average rating is there. Okay, so these are our visual for top 50 movies. Uh, there is one more filter we can do. What we can do? We can change the color. So how can we change the color of these bars? So what are the colors? The color is this one. Default blue is there, but let make some more changes in the color. So I will click this f of x and go to the gradient. What gradient will do? Gradient will change the value from lower to higher in a different ways. From means if it is a lower, then it is a low light blue, and as the value increases, it will goes to the darker side. Okay, so I need a different color. Which color I required? Uh, let's go for this one. Let's see how it looks like. No, it's not looks like. I am changing here in front of you only. Actually, I am making this project in front of you only for the first time. So I have not made earlier also. This is my first, the first time I am doing this movie recommendation system analysis in front of you only, guys. Okay. This is quite good, but I need some more changes. What I will do, I will do add some middle also in the middle. In the middle also, I will add this one, but it is goes to the darker. I will give it to the lighter one. So, hmm. So it has given middle up to 6.95. Okay, I can change here also. See, I am doing one by one only. Okay, for your help. Custom. Go to custom. Instead of middle value, go to custom. So what I will do that the movies which has rating above uh, 8.2, no, 8, above 8. Okay, it will goes to the darker side, rest all it will goes to the lighter side. Okay, Perfect. See, okay. So this is how I can change the value also in the gradient. So this is what I am showing to you. See, I can do easily in the blue color also. It is workable because the main part was the data cleaning and then after visualization, that I can do easily. But we are here for the learning and for the practicing. Okay, to do a very good visualization of the things. So this is you have to learn in a very deep way that we have customized the color. Go for the we have gone to this gradient and change the center. Okay, so like this way we can change the color. If we can, okay, this is looking somewhat good. We can remove this also. Legend. We can remove this from the legend. Okay, so here we have removed that. Uh, I'm not satisfying with this color. I don't know why. Let me change some. Uh, because of the background or what? Let me change it. Uh, you can make color by your own also. There's no need for that. There's no. Okay. Let me go for the pink. How it is background. Okay. Now, now what is required? Okay. Let me minimize filter. Give some. Hmm. Okay. Give some gap also. No, hmm. Hmm. So now what is required? Uh, what we can do here? Another chart. We can see that how many number of movies released in a specific year. Okay. So what I will do? I'll remove the title, remove the rating, year, and total number of movies. Sum of year mean only year. Okay. Now you can see that the total movie released in 2015 and after that in 2016 is in 2016 198 number of movies has been released. In 2015 109 movie has been released, and in 2006 only 41 movies has been released. Okay, so this way you can visualize the number of movies has been released in different years. Now you required now what other visualization we can make for our purpose. How many number of movies, okay, how many number of movies are there for specific rating means six ratings has how many number of movies, how many number got six ratings, and how many number of movies got seven ratings, so like that we can see the visualization. Okay, now can we do this one? I will okay, so if you can do, so for that what I can do, I can take this rating and we'll see the number of movies, total movies. Okay, sorry, I will take the title. Oh, okay, but it should not be like that. We have to instead of average rating, x-axis, we have to interchange it or go for rating directly. Perfect. Okay, so we have gone to the rating. We can see that there are a number of movies on different ratings. Okay, what we have taken the title and the rating. Now we can see that data labels is required. Number of movies. Okay, at 6.9 rating has 23 movies. 7.7 rating has 43 number of movies. So like that, there are different number of movies at the specific rating. So in this we can visualize that means we can see that there is a cluster in from we can say from 6 to 8. there is a cluster of movies that maximum movies got the rating of 6 to 8 only. Some exceptional means very good movie like we can see that one got the 9 rating, which we can see the Dark Knight. Yeah, it was exceptional. So it's understandable. Then some movie has got the 1.9 also. Now I don't want to see the name of that movie, but we can see that also. But right now our focus is different. Okay, so what we will do? We will do the what will be the title we can make? We can make a total number of movies by total movie. Okay, total movie by ratings. Perfect. Okay, then we will do some effect. Color, it's already there, but make it transparent to 30. Visualization border, visualize border. Yes, we require the border to 10. Okay, now we can apply the same color also here, gradient descent. So uh, not gradient descent, sorry, it's a machine learning thing. It's a gradient format style gradient. Sorry for that. Okay, we can do like this also. So you can see perfect. So you can see that maximum number of movies that is has a darker side, that is 43. So like that we can do it. Or we can do one more thing. Here you can see that one is this exceptional, the Dark Knight has the maximum rating. But as per our filter, which we have used, that maximum value has a darker side and the minimum value has the lighter side. But here we can see that one is not giving us that impact, means one is exceptional, this rating 9 is exceptional, so it should be there. This one is okay, but this has to be there. So what I will do, I will do some changes. Instead of count of title, what we can do, from the lowest to highest. Now from the lowest to highest, we can change it count of title. Instead of can we do the by the rating, change it by the rating. Okay, there is some. Okay, sum of rating, count of rating. Can we do a count of rating here? Okay, summarization sum. No, we have to take the count. Count of uh, rating count minimum to maximum. Hmm. Now it is good. Sorry for that. So what it is that from minimum to maximum goes to the maximum. So up to maximum we have a summarization is maximum, and as the rating increases our color will go darker. So here it is. I am removing the legend. Correct. The count of title I don't need. So remove this title from the y-axis. Okay. So we are removing the title on the from the y-axis. Okay. So now we can see that one of our page has been finished for this movie recommendation. Okay. Hope you are liking this video on the analysis that how we are doing. So we can do here as a we can say that we can rename this page to summary. Oh no, summary. So this is right now we will do up to this only, this summary. In the next video, I will make for genre and actors also. In a, I will upload this very soon. So this is the part one. Now I will make the part two for actors and genre. Okay. See you guys. Get back to you with part two of this.